Want to know the most effective digital marketing strategies for 2024? Well, you're in the right place. It's all about creating a symphony of strategies that work in harmony to drive your business success. Here are the top 5 strategies that have proven to be successful this year. Firstly, we have content marketing. A successful content marketing strategy is about more than just posting articles and creating videos. It's about crafting a compelling narrative that tells the story of your brand and engages your audience at a deeper level. This could mean using infographics to illustrate complex ideas, or leveraging user-generated content to foster a sense of community. Secondly, search engine optimization. In 2024, SEO is no longer just about optimizing for search engines. It's about optimizing for user experience. This means creating content that answers your audience's questions and making sure your website is fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. Third on the list is social media marketing. Social media is a powerful tool for connecting with your audience on a personal level. But it's not enough to just post regularly. You need to engage with your followers by responding to comments, sharing user-generated content, and creating interactive content like polls and quizzes. Next, we have email marketing. Despite the rise of social media, email remains one of the most effective digital marketing strategies. The key is personalization. Segment your audience based on their interests and behaviors, and send them tailored content that resonates with them. Finally, we have data analytics. Data is the conductor of your digital marketing symphony. Use it to understand your audience's behavior, measure the success of your strategies, and make informed decisions about where to invest your marketing budget. So to summarize, the most effective digital marketing strategies for 2024 are content marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, and data analytics. These strategies are like the sections of an orchestra, each playing their part in the symphony of your digital marketing success. But remember, the most important part of any strategy is the audience. Understand their needs, their desires, and their behaviors, and you'll be able to create a symphony that resonates with them and drives your business success. Now go forth and conduct your symphony.